Hey guys, this is Graham, back at Glow Community Center. And today, after teaching you guys the 1 swing, the 2 swing, and 3 swing genocides, I'm going to finally show you guys how to do a 360 genocide. Looks like this. It's actually 2 versions. Alright, that's the first one. And then the little harder version will be 2, 3. Those were 360 genocides. Obviously, before you attempt this trick, learn how to do a single swing and multiple swing genocides really comfortably with ease. You should actually be really comfortable with 1, 2, the 3 swing genocide. If you notice, a 360 is actually basically a 3 swing genocide, but with a 360 with your body. Obviously, you're turning with your body. So that'd be a toss. It could be a 2 swing or a 3 swing. I'll show you guys both. I do it with a 3 swing most of the time. Toss, 1 swing, 2 swing, and then a catch on the 3rd swing. So I'll show you guys how to do that right now. I'll start off with the 2 swing. Obviously, you need a high toss for a 360, which is why I recommend, again, learning 3 swing. 2 swing 360, looks like this. 1 and 2. All right. Clear your swing, you clear your 360 on that first swing. Toss it up, and while you're doing that first swing, you're gonna do that 360, and then you're gonna catch it on that second swing. I'll show you guys one more time. First swing, I do the 360, second swing I catch. So, 360 and then a catch, right? Right after you turn back, you should be already spotting that yo-yo to catch, right? Because you only have that 1 swing to really clear the 360 and to spot the yo-yo, all right? Because you have to catch already on that second swing. A quick tip would be just to really do that 360 as fast as possible to give yourself more time to really spot that yo-yo, getting ready to catch it. One last demonstration. 360, spot, and catch. Now the other version of the 360 will be to do an extra swing. Obviously that requires a higher toss, but the good thing about doing a 3 swing 360 is that it's gonna give you more time to really spot that yo-yo to catch. So a 3 swing 360 genocide would look like this. 1, 2, 3. All right, I know that was a little quick, but you could actually just hear the sound of my sticks. 3 swings. To really break down what happens during each swing, I loop, toss. Again, like the 2 swing, I'm gonna turn, do that 360 on my first swing. The extra swing, the second swing, actually just gives me more time to really spot that yo-yo to get to catch on my 3rd one. One time. So, first swing, 2 swing, and 3 swing. All right. First swing, do that 360, all right? 1 swing. Second swing, my eyes are just looking at the yo-yo. I'm already spotting it while doing that second swing. And that 3rd swing, I catch, and I finish. That's it for the 360 genocide, 2 swing and 3 swing. This one's gonna take a little more practice, but you guys got it. So I'll see you guys in the next video.